again. What's the allure of?
Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Malaysia to check out the Givi Factory, and this is my second time here. And nakakatuwa kasi nga yung nakita ko from before and yung nakita ko ngayon, maraming mga differences din. This is a 10,000 square meter facility. This is huge. For context, alam mo ang 10,000 square meters, SMX Convention Center. Yun yung footprint niya. Ganun siya kalaki. Mga nakita ko ng differences dito, we're talking about equipment that's being changed between 3 to 5 years. I was here back in 2019, so there are a lot of equipment na naikot na nila, na rotate. Hello, Joseph, Julian, how are you guys? It's great to be here again.
Yeah,
you guys
nice
haven't
to have you here again after so many years.
You guys haven't aged since 2019. What changed machine-wise? How often do you change?
As you can see from your last time, you saw a lot of equipment which we didn't have before, laser cutting, more automated soldering machine, because we move with the time. It is an improved operation. We have the same amount of people which we had before, actually probably more. We use human to improve the way that we operate the machine. But technology is a constant change, it never stops.
That's great.
It is a continued renewal. Now, one of the things on how or why Givi is simply the best in the business, it's how they really give a lot of importance with quality. When you talk about quality, lahat ng materials nila dito, lahat ng pumapasok na raw materials are all virgin, they're all raw materials na hindi na i-recycle. So fresh na fresh yung materials nila. Number two, they do a lot of research and development as well. Bago nila ilabas ang isang produkto, they spend thousands of hours just shaking that thing paulit-ulit to make sure na super okay yung kanyang quality. So I'm gonna explain to you what our Givi boxes are made of. So this one is a product we call polypropylene. It is what this is all made of. So puti siya, di ba? How do you get this to be black? They now add our master batch color. Ito yung coloring natin. And this is mixed into the product. And kung hihiwain mo to, you won't see any striping and all of that. It's gonna be pure black because they use virgin materials. Hindi recycled materials gamit nila. This is also used naman for their lenses, yung mga reflectorized parts ng boxes. Here's another color. This is gray. We have for the ABS part. This is the ABS plastic. And ito yung pinaka-importante that they're really proud of. Mukha siyang kanin. This is the material that they use for UV protection. Dito nagkaiba ang Givi boxes sa mga iba dyan. Kasi this is how your Givi box lasts in our environment. It can withstand yung ating sun and therefore mas tatagal yung lifespan niya. Ito actually yung pinakamahal na nilalagay nila sa boxes natin. Ito yun. So we're talking about quality from Givi. We're talking about being green for the environment kasi hindi mo to itatapon basta-basta mas tatagal sa'yo. Because of the level of quality that we have with the Givi boxes, yung recycled material coming out of these boxes repurposed for something that is also of high quality. Now, interestingly enough, they call this the pizza kasi yung machine nila takes time na uminit. So habang yung time na umiinit sila, ito yung byproduct. So they are also actually using this for other parts of the boxes and they reinforce it with newer products. So kahit na recycled itong part na ito, high quality pa rin. They still reuse everything. So zero waste. Very green company talagang Givi. Another thing that they have also improved on is automation. Human factors kasi syempre magkakaroon tayo ng mga errors here and there. So without really reducing yung kanilang binibigyan ng mga trabaho sa mga tao, nagdagdag pa sila ng automation.
One by one, slip into the
One of the things I also notice here is the smell. One of the things that they're really proud of here is how clean it is and how they are very green in the sense that they're really very conscious of how all of this manufacturing is affecting our environment. At least for our neck of the woods, what's in store for us? What can we expect?
So in the coming months, of course, we will have some new products. What we want to say is the quality, the innovation. In the coming months, we want to show something that what market do not have it.
So a lot of these awesome things in the factory, and I'm really glad that Givi has been on top of things throughout.